everybody! Today I'm going to review or tell you about the Snail Repairing Foam Cleanser and the multi-function formula all-in-one Snail Repair Cream. They're both from Mizon, which is a Korean brand, and I got them from Gmarket, which is now where I get all my Korean products from, and I love that site, and I found a way to deliver to Italy. I've finished this. Is the Snail Repairing Foam Cleanser. It says, this cleansing foam with snail's mucus filtrate, and it's, okay, the grammar doesn't make sense, but, and its ample and elastic bubble washes the skin clearly. That was kind of hard to understand just because of like the way they said it, but okay. Anyway, so it's both these products contain snail's mucus or snail mucus filtrate, and I actually really like this foaming cleanser. When cleansing my face, I first use the Innisfree Juicy Apple Cleansing Oil. I rub that all over, and I concentrate around the eyes because I actually use that to get most of the eye makeup off as well. The mascara that I use comes off with warm water, so it doesn't really come off with oil, but the other eye makeup does come off with oil. And after I do that, then I use this foam cleanser, because only using this foam cleanser is not enough to get off all your makeup. This is not a makeup remover, it's just a foam cleanser. It does do a bit of makeup removing, like if you just have CC cream on or something, it'll get rid of that, but I don't think that this is enough for heavy makeup. So definitely remove your makeup first. And it's a typical foam cleanser like most Asian foam cleansers. Like I would compare it to the Shiseido foam cleansers. This is like the Shiseido one in the white packaging, if you know what I'm talking about. I don't think cleansers really do much in terms of benefiting your skin or improving your skin, except like it should clean your skin, of course. So I haven't found a cleanser that I'm like, wow, this cleanser really is anti-wrinkle and it improves my skin. No. The cream, I am more than halfway done, and I've also been using this for the entire summer, and it says a high concentration of 92% snail extract promotes the skin regeneration, effectively resolving skin problems. So on the website it said that it's anti-aging, it's firming, it's hydrating. So, and it's also good for acne and acne prone skin, and also that it fades away dark marks. Now if you look at my skin, I have acne prone skin, and I have the type of skin that like if you scratch me or if I get a pimple, the melanin collects and I get hyperpigmentation. Like even if you just scratch me lightly, that can last 10 years. There are some things that have lasted a whole like 20 years. They're never going away. So I just have very sensitive skin. Any light scratch on my arm or any, oh, this is, I burned myself in the oven. It was just a light burn. This was 2 years ago. Like it's still, it just, the melanin just collects and stays there forever. And so I have that kind of skin. So that's one of the reasons why I got this, because it says it helps fade that. It helps fade dark spots or scars and things. I feel that by using this, it did work in terms of acne control. I felt like during the whole summer, my skin was the best during any summer that it's ever been, because I have very dry skin, but during the summer, it changes, it gets combination. I get combination skin and I start breaking out, and like, my skin is the worst during the summer. Summer is not my season when it comes to skin and beauty. So yeah, I felt that this helped in terms of acne control. I think that overall it helped brighten my skin tone, but I mean, do you want to look closely at my skin? You see that I have dark spots? It's not like a miracle. It's not a miracle. It's not gonna not let that dark spot stuff happen, if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. In terms of firming, I gave a jar of this to my mother-in-law. I really noticed that her skin looked firmer, and I thought her skin looked great with this cream. I think this is really good for older people, maybe. Anyways, it really worked for her, and I saw an improvement in her skin, like visibly. So that impressed me a lot. It's very light and very gel-like, and it just sinks into the skin very easily. And it's a very gel-like texture that just sinks to the skin very easily. And you should pat it in and just wait for it to dry, and then it's completely goes into your skin and it feels like you have nothing on. So the interesting thing about this cream actually is that you should put it on before your toner and before everything. So you should just put this on, and then you can put your essence and other creams over it, and your eye creams and everything. So you put everything else over it, and that's how they say that you should wear it. So because of the light texture, I think for me this was good for the summer and not the winter, because in the winter I'd have to layer other creams over it. And then I feel like, but the other creams that I have, I want those creams to work. And I think if I have this under, what if then the other creams don't work as well because this is under it? I don't know, but that's what I thought. So yeah, I use this in the summer. So for my skin, I didn't notice any visible anti-aging effects, and I do have some wrinkles, I think I do, and I didn't notice any visible firming effects, but maybe I'm just not old enough. No, I think it's just not that great of a cream for that, for the anti-aging aspect, but I think it is a good cream for the acne side of it, though I have read some reviews where some people actually broke out with it they actually broke out with it after a month. So they used it for a month, and then their skin got used to it or something, and then they broke out. So I don't know. I'm not sure. For me, it really did help, and I used it for 3 months, and it really did help with my acne and my breakouts. Anyway, these are really good products. I think this is a good cream, a good moisturizing cream that will help maybe a little bit with the brightening and the acne, and it's very inexpensive because I think I got this for I got 2 of them of this for $20, and that's really good. I have 3 of these. One I finished, but I have 3 of these, and this is how big is this? I don't know. Oh, and this is 60 milliliters, but they came in a package of 3 of them for $10 US. A very good value and decent high quality creams. They are paraben free and good for sensitive skin, which I have, and so I had no problems with irritation or any kind of reaction to it. So I hope this review was helpful in you making any future purchases, and if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!